pushing on a peeper? That's silly. What did he say?
I don't know. I've never heard him like that.
Sing him You Are My Sunshine.
Oh
no.
Yeah, I'm singing a song. He'll like it.
You can sing it in his ear.
Yeah, we don't have to hear it.
You can sing it. No, are you too shy? I don't think you are. I think you're not shy at all. He's gonna get your honker. Whoa! Oh, thank you.
That's good, Britt.
It's okay. It's just baby burp up.